Hi everybody, it's Julie, and as you can see here, I have a bunch of stuff on my desk. I am making gift baskets for a church function. Someone else brought me the coffee and the tea and the gift card, and then I had baskets and the other stuff. So I'm just going to show you how I would put together a basket like this. And so I'm actually reusing some of these bags to do the stuffing on the bottom. I didn't have any popcorn, so you could use like the packaging popcorn or bubble wrap or, you know, other things to put in the bottom. But I decided to use the bags from the Dollar Tree. So I have a mug, I have some tulle, I have the cellophane is already cut. It's about 24 inches by like 36, maybe 40 inches. I have a coffee bean and tea leaf coffee and a tea. I have some little thingies that there's a gift card. So put the gift card in. And then I have a geranium that was left over from the wedding that I just did, and the leaves, and some stuffing that came out. I always save the shred when it comes out of other gift baskets and things. So I had that, and then I have another red flower that came out of the, from the wedding. Okay, so just gonna do this in my little bit of space here. I'm gonna turn the basket this way, and I am going to take the cup out. I'm gonna put the coffee in first. This is the easiest way that I have found to do this. I have a basket that is open on the top. If you're using one with handles, you can actually use the handles to help hold things in. I'm just putting the two because I want to be able to see what's in it, especially if it's for like a silent auction or something like that, because each thing adds value. Now I know that they're also going to be putting what is in the cup. You can put it alongside. I'm putting it inside the cup. I'm going to add my little flower back here just for some color. And I'm going to put just a little bit of shred over here. I'm very frugal with my shred. We're going to put that there. Add the flower to this side. Add some shred to this side, just lightly. And if you have more shred, you can add it to the back. Probably should, when I had this put together the first time. And then I was like, I should do a video. You know, just in case you're wondering how to make a really quick, easy gift basket. So instead of putting shred all the way across, I bring the shred and put it in the holes. Okay? So my gift basket is ready. And for some functions, you can put it out just like this. I would tape the gift card, or you can actually put the gift card holder in, but keep the gift card in, you know, where the silent auction or whatever is happening, so that it doesn't get stolen. I'm sorry, our mailboxes were broken into yesterday. I'm a little bit, yeah, oh, I don't even know what the word is. Leery of people these days. Huh. So I have my cellophane. Like I said, I've cut it. It's about 24 inches. I'm going to lay it out. I'm going to pull my twisty ties over so that it's going to be easy to get to them. They're a little bit longer than your regular just twisty ties. But they came like in with some like baking bags or something. Okay, so I'm going to come up and measure and just see if I'm in the middle, and I am. I'm going to pull the back pieces, see this? I'm going to pull the side pieces up and kind of pleat them like this. I'm sorry about the sound. I'm going to pull this all together up at the top, even with the flour on this one. I'm going to take the middle front and add it to my ruffle at the top. I went over here, I pleated this side and brought it up, and as I was bringing it up, I was turning it so that the edge is on the inside, okay? I am not doing shrink wrap with this. I'm just wrapping it, okay? I still want to be able to see inside, and that's why I do this way of wrapping, and I wrap the front around the back, okay? Wrap the front around the back, and then I'm going to make sure my coffee and my tea have not come into the center, because they will do that sometimes. And then I'm going to lift this side up a little bit, because it's kind of trying to go down. Sorry about the sound. Okay, now I'm going to take my twisty tie and tie it. You can tie it with a string, wire, whatever. I just happen to have some twisty ties that I thought were big enough. I know the red ones were, but I can't find the red one I had out. There we go. We're just going to tie it. And you could leave it like that, but we have some tulle, and I had this length, and I cut it in half, so I'd have one for this one. And this time I'm just going to tie it in a bow. Okay, I'm just tying it in a bow, and then rather than just leaving it like that, I'm going to fluff it up. Okay, and fluff it up. And I thought that this was kind of cool because it looks back to school. Yeah, the mug is Valentine's. I got it after Valentine's Day for a really good sale. Now, you can also take these sides down instead of putting them up inside and tape them on the bottom. And that's actually going to be a cleaner look, but I'm okay with this for this one today. So that was that one. Now this one was kind of an oval basket, and so I put the tea here with the coffee in the back, and then the mug is still laying inside so that you can see the top, see the front of the mug instead of just the top. So that is how I did this one. I have my other piece of tulle, and we're just going to wrap it around, and ta-da, that is that. So I get the baskets ready. I had 3 of them to make. The other one's already done and by the door, ready for her to pick it up. And I was like, oh, I should make a video real quick. So yeah, I'm always thinking, oh, I should make a video. Oh, I should make a video. So there you go. That is my gift basket. Really, really quick. And just basically 3 items, some flowers or something, and the shred. So what do you want to do? You want to save your baskets if you can. You want to save your shred, and you will be able to turn, you know, just a couple of things into a really nice gift. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe, and have an amazing day. Bye.